What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another slightly above average video. Today we're going to be putting some Fender flares on this XRS, which is Chris's. All right, we got some Fender flares that a company sent out to us. I did an unboxing and install on my personal channel. If you guys want to watch that, link will be down below in the description. We're just going to hurry up and install these, and then we're going to go test them out. So we want to do some riding in this video as well. What we're going to do is unbox these real quick, and then we got to get a drill and pretty much drill out all of the spots, which if you guys don't know, Can-am pre-dimples all of the spots where you would have to install a screw for all of their accessories. Since I have installed these Fender flares in the past, I know they fit in the exact same location as all of the Can-am stuff. So we're gonna go through, drill all them out, and then get these installed. All right, Chris is mocking up the rears right now to kind of decide if he wants to run them or not. We just got the fronts installed. We drilled them all out, got everything installed. You guys seen some video of that. He's just kind of looking at it to see if it's something that he wants to drill holes into the plastic. I myself am not a big fan of the rear fender flares, which you can see on the XRC back there. I ended up taking the rear ones off. But it's totally up to Chris.
I don't know, I need help.
So the reason why I don't like them is because they I don't like how they point down when they're on.
I agree with that. I don't like that they're angled down either.
Yeah, they point down at the ground, and then I also don't like, I mean, this isn't rounded off. This would be like, what, a 45? I don't like how that's cut like that. I think it'd be a lot better if they had followed this line here and ran it straight to here and then just ended it right there. But I don't know. We still, if he does the backs, we still have to put these lower ones on. But yeah, we're just trying to figure out if we actually want to put them on or not. All right, so I think I convinced Chris not to put the back ones on. He's not even paying attention.
Sorry.
He said he wants to go ride around a little bit and see kind of what it feels like, what it looks like, and how it works with just the fronts on there. So what we're going to do real quick is we're going to go rip to Mexico and do some riding, rip some back roads around, and then it looks like it's going to rain here in a little bit, but I want to break the drone out and get some drone shots of both the machines. So we're going to pretty much cut to riding montage. All right, so we stopped at this bridge. We used to come here back in high school all the time and do shenanigans and drink fun pops and stuff. Dad pops back before I was a dad. But we're going to do the outro real quick. Hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of that edit with the drone footage. We got the front fender flares on Chris's machine, which he's still kind of undecided. You're kind of leaning towards rear, aren't you?
I think we might make it a thing to not do rears.
All right, dude. So if you want to be cool and not run... I can't say that on YouTube. And not run the stupid looking rear fenders on the back. The new vibe is just run the fronts. This is going to be a thing. All the kids are going to be doing it. Just wait. All right. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate it if you smash that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you guys want to stay up to date on future side-by-side content, because literally everything we're going to post is all side-by-side related, make sure you subscribe, turn on that bell so you don't miss notifications. And if you want to pick up merch, like this shirt right here, go ahead. The link to the store will be down below in the description, sidebysidecentral.com. Until next time, guys.